Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all having a great day. My name is Jeffrey, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more content related to dropshipping, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, making money online, and all that stuff. Now in this one, I really want to talk about, more about mindset instead of, the Facebook ads and all the theory and, the things that you can implement for your dropshipping and e-commerce business. And the reason why I want to bring this up is because I feel like it's really important for you to understand and for you to kind of get the right mentality in place before you kind of scale and grind in your business. Now, in this topic, in this video, we're going to be talking about, quitting your 9-to-5 job and, why, kind of like the mindset you should have surrounding that and just, having expectations in place, right? And the reason why I want to say this is because, I see a lot of people in the dropshipping community, especially on Facebook groups, YouTube, the YouTube comments and stuff like that. Their main motivator is to really quit their 9-to-5 job and to work with this full time, right? And that's understandable because, you really want to have a life of, freedom, and you want to have the financial freedom to do so. But one thing you have to understand that, all business does entail some kind of risk, right? And obviously, if you're just running Facebook ads as well, that itself entails risk. And just business in general is risky, right? There's a lot of people who actually has tried it, but doesn't have much success. Is because even though you're risk adverse, you're still going to be losing money, right? There's a possibility. And so even if you succeed in dropshipping, right? Let's say you found a winning product. Don't expect that product to be, the ticket to leaving your 9-to-5 job. And let me explain that more clearly, right? So in the dropshipping place, having a winning product is like very hyped up, right? And, it's expectable and it's understandable because, you can actually make a lot of revenue from that one product alone, just from scaling Facebook ads and, diversifying your platform, your ad platforms like Google, influencers, stuff like that. But you have to understand at some point, that product is actually going to die off. And on top of that, just having e-commerce store alone, the revenue that you're getting, that you're generating isn't consistent, right? And business itself can be consistent, but you have to kind of make systems happen, right? You have to create the system and have that system in place for you to really automate. And that's a really big point here that I'm trying to, get across is the automation and the consistency, right? So you have a dropshipping store, you have a winning product, you're scaling big numbers, right? You're making 5K a day, 10K a day, even 1K a day. And at this point, you're thinking of, quitting your 9-to-5 job and all that stuff, and you want to work on this full time. Now, chances are that, if you found a winning product, it's not your ticket to success, as I said, because it's going to die off. So before you really want to think about, before you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, you really want to ask yourself, can I find, winning products, and can I create that, consistency in my life in order to fulfill, my financial freedom, right? There's a reason why a lot of people, go to 9-to-5 jobs, right? It's because it's consistent. It produces a stable income. It's consistent. You're getting that money every single month in return for your time and effort and energy, right? And, having a business is really no different. You really want to crave consistency, even if that means having really good Facebook ads strategy or like having some kind of a subscription plan, which I have a free training down below on sales funnels. You could create subscription plans, but you really want to create, consistency, right? And the only way to do that is to automate your business and to really have those systems in place. It doesn't have to be, always finding winning products, but you have to make sure that you have the staff in place. You have the infrastructure in order to do this, right? You have to hire certain people. You have to have certain skills, certain techniques, and really try to automate your business so you don't have to touch that anymore. At the same time, you can create consistency, and you can also spend your time on other businesses as well. So whether you want to do lead generation, you want to do consulting, you want to do education, stuff like that. But what's important is you have to create consistency and stable income, just like you would for your 9-to-5 job. Now, a lot of people, you see those millionaires, right? According to, a lot of people, having, an average millionaire has about 5 to 7 sources of income. And the way they created that was really to kind of master one first and make that more automated before branching out to more sources of income. And that is what you should focus on for your first dropshipping store or whatever you want to focus on, is to really have that consistency in place. I said that many times already, but I want you to understand and really have that automation and those systems and infrastructure in place. And that is how you're going to really diversify your business and make sure that you're actually getting income on a daily basis, right? So just because you found a winning product, just because you have a dropshipping store, does not mean that it's your ticket to 9 to 5. And that's not to say that 9 to 5 is bad, because if you're running out of money, you probably need some kind of steady source of income. And one of the things to really help you with your stable income is to find a job. And that's going to help you survive, of course, pay your bills, and then obviously pay ads for your business and operating your business. So it's not really a bad thing if you think about it. It can really support, it's like the backbone of your business, especially if you're starting off and you don't have much money, or just even having some kind of intern job or like a summer job, right? And that's why I don't want really people to kind of look down on 9 to 5. Not saying that it's a good thing or bad. I'm just saying it shouldn't be looked down on, because it really helps you create that consistency that you really need and that cash flow that is needed to scale your business, to create systems in place, to create infrastructure, and to create a long-lasting business. So just because you're a 9 to 5, you shouldn't get discouraged, because it's not really a bad thing after all. It's actually a stepping stone to your success. So I also want you to kind of get your expectations in place, as well as not look down 9 to 5. And basically, this is just the video that I want to make for you guys, is really try hard and really do what you have to do, basically, to kind of create that business and get it up and running and automate it. And even if it means having a 9 to 5 job, even if it means working 5 hours, 10 hours a day on top of your regular job, just do what it takes. And don't look down 9 to 5 just because other people are too in the dropshipping space and the entrepreneur space, because it's really going to help you with your business. So I hope I'm not rambling too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and really help you get your mindset and your mentality in place for you to run your store. So hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe for more content. Comment BRANDFAM down below to enter our giveaway. But that's about it for me today, and I'll see you next one.